Another one. Another one. In today's one, we will be changing out the wheel bearing. We will be sorting out the wheel bearings as well as that ABS reluctor ring and my drive shaft center bearing.
Oh shit, here we go again.
I know you guys are always thinking this guy's probably always working on his car, things are always breaking. It's not the case. I'm just doing preventative maintenance with most of these things. And think about it, guys, the more you work on your car, the more things you fix and maintain, the better your car will drive, and it will drive as good as it looks. Because I find it so pointless, your car looks so good whatever, when in reality it drives like complete ass. So we'll be sorting that out today.
1 week later.
So there we have it, boys. New prop finally redone, rebalanced. So with my old one, apparently the center bearing wasn't aligned, which caused it to tear or wear out quicker. But now we got the proper one, and the guys at Mr. Prop Shaft over here, they helped me shorten it just a little bit so we can get it dead center. I also resurfaced this yoke. So yes, guys, we also got a new coupling. The old one actually tore, but thankfully we got a new one, and we can actually slap this back on and get the baby back on the road. But also I still need to do my bearings, my wheel bearings, because this one's still okay. This one's still relatively okay. There's no play in it whatsoever. Whereas this one has a lot of play. Oh shit. Alright, so here is my culprit for my ABS sensors not receiving no signal. Might not look like much, but once you take it off, you guys can actually see this thing is quite warped, and because of that my ABS sensors are receiving no signal. So we're gonna change it out right now. The old one is off. This is the new ring that I'll be putting on. You'll have to tap it on nicely onto the CV axle, but before we do that, we're gonna clean up all this grime and dirt off from the thing so we can ensure it's on properly. Okay guys, so we're finally done with the 46. Speed sensors and everything is working, so the car is finally reading on the speedo. Just shows how something so small could affect a lot of things. I don't even think it would ever be a reluctor ring, which is something I'm sure most of you haven't even known of or heard of. It's my first time hearing about it, so it was quite an easy job just to cut it off and slap a new one on. So it's as easy as that. Only thing about it is taking it off. That's quite a bit of a process. So now that that's finally done, we're gonna be going on a little run with the boys. We're gonna meet up with Keandre and Keegan. I'm sure Migalo is gonna be there and a few other guys. It's actually hosted by E-Unit. Yusuf, also known as Onyx on IG. Shout out to him for always hosting these dope runs. So we're gonna meet up with them and make a run. Well, there's gonna be a run all the way to Boxburg, which is this event here. So see you guys there. Hopefully everything's working, nothing breaks, and only thing left to do, guys, is the freaking fan that's sounding like a freaking bus, but that we'll get to in another video. Excited because I've already got it. It's just a matter of me installing it, and yeah, see you guys there. 46 is finally done and she looks so clean. I think lastly I just need to fix this angel eye because one of them is not working. It's been standing so long. I don't know, but God, it looks so clean, man, so shiny. So we're just waiting for the boys to come through so we can head out. Oh my days, guys, God, guys, so perfect. If you guys ever get the chance, I do recommend your wheel bearings. It just drives a million times more smooth now, and we can have some fun safely.
2 hours later.
Who made it, guys? It's the boys. That's Galpina. Oh my days. So good to see the guys out, man. Switch down, guys. We're gonna go. Who's here? Migalo! Yes, guys, My pretty passenger princess. We finally made it to the meet with the boys. Keegan's car looking nice as Keandre and Keegan. Oh my days. So nice to see these cars out and about. Migalo. There we go, two puppies. Other one. I need to get rid of this fan. Show him, Keegan.
What's that sound that car was making? Is it a nice sound?
Shame. Bullying Keegan here for no reason. Where are we going? We are just racing here. No freaking guidelines. Hey Keandre, your car looks so clean, man. God damn, boy. God damn it, boy. Sheesh. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah.